Good morning, Shivesh. Good morning, Shivesh. No one. No one in the meeting. Good morning, Pranjali and Urvashi.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. Please start a video. Where is my video? It is not showing here. What happened? Yeah. Yes. So today we have to start with a new chapter. There was no one. Just now you have joined. In the starting first 7 minutes, there was no one in the meeting. 7, 8 minutes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So we have to start this last chapter of your syllabus, line graphs and linear graphs. Yes, we have to start this line graph, this chapter, line graphs and linear graphs. This is the last chapter in your syllabus. Okay.
The bar graph.
Line graphs and linear graphs. So you need graph paper for this. Okay. You need graph papers for this chapter. Okay. Ready? Very similar construction to bar graphs of these line graphs and linear graphs. Very similar. Okay. Easy and simple. Start a video, all of you. Okay, so let's start with the exercise. Exercise number 23. Very easy, simple chapter. Okay. Okay, so question number one, let's
have to take the
draw this line graph on a graph paper and then stick it in your copy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Exercise 23. So it is another way of representing data, a line and linear graph. We have studied various ways of representing data. We can represent data in the form of bar graph, one method. Second method, we can represent data in the form of pie charts, which we did last chapter. Pie chart is also a method of representing the data, showing off the data with the help of some designs or something, which is easily understandable by someone who is someone who is not used to all these things, who does not know statistics that much. Even that person, if he or she sees it, and he is able to understand the data easily. So these are all ways of representing data. Okay, in an attractive manner. Okay, and easy to understand manner. Okay. So this is question number one. I will show you what is the meaning of this by just making this bar graph here. Okay. So in the first question, there is a table given. Can you all see the table?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this table, I will be just making a bar graph to show the data which is given in the table. Okay. So here, when you take a graph paper, there will be divisions done at a distance of 1 centimeter. You all know in a bar graph there are divisions at a distance of 1 centimeter each. Okay, like this. You see the dark lines on the graph paper. The gap between two consecutive dark lines is 1 centimeter. Okay, so this is, I don't have a graph paper. I can't show it here on the screen, so I'm making it like this. Okay, and on the, this is known as your y-axis, and this is x-axis. So you can draw y-axis and x-axis in the graph paper. Not now, later on. First, I'm going to explain this. What is this? Okay, and in the y-axis also you can see divisions at a gap of 1 centimeter. Okay. So what is this data? Let us study the data. The following table depicts the maximum temperature on the 7 days of a particular week. Study the table and draw the line graph of for the same. So this table shows the maximum temperature on the various days of a week. For example, what was the maximum temperature on Sunday? Just see in the table and tell me what is the maximum temperature on Sunday?
Sir,
25 degrees centigrade, correct.
25 degrees.
Correct. And on Monday, the maximum temperature was 28 degrees centigrade, and so on. Okay. Tuesday 26, Wednesday 32, and so on. So this data, easy to understand data from the table also, we have understood it easily. So we have to show this in this line graph. So for this, what we are going to do, in the first cut on the x-axis, we will write MON, Monday, and then in the very next one you will write TUE for Tuesday, short forms, WED, THU. So representing these cuts with the days of the week. Okay, the divisions we have Saturday, and Sunday is also there. Sunday is also there. Okay, no problem. So just shifting it a little bit. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay. Okay. And the first day was Sunday. Okay, so we have divided the line x-axis with we have represented it, marked, labeled it with the days of the week. So what you will do, you will just tell what are these. What are these? These are days of the week for which we are showing the maximum temperatures for these days. Okay, and now the data that is given here, the smallest value of this data is 25 and the largest value is 34, correct?
34.
So
Yes, sir.
using by understanding these values, you have to decide that we have to do divisions. We have to take a scale. How much scale you have to take? For example, if I take, suppose, one block equal to 2 degrees, 2, 4, 5 degrees centigrade, and so on. So it will be, sorry, 2, 4, 6, and so on, even numbers. So it will be very difficult to complete this on y-axis, because it will go way beyond your graph paper. Okay, so not that much space is there on your graph paper, although we can do it, but the size of the graph paper is not that much big, so we won't be able to complete it. So what we are doing here, we are dividing each block in 5 degrees, 5 degrees centigrade, 10 degrees centigrade. So the scale is one block equal to 5 degrees. Okay, so in the gap of 5 we will write these 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so that's it. So what is this? This is the maximum temperature. And you can write down what is the unit in degree centigrade. This is the unit. In the bracket, you can write down the unit.
Sir, can we start it from 25?
Better you start it from 5 only. Otherwise, the data that is represented here is not shown with a proper scale. For questions, if the questions here are starting from a very large value, for those data you can do it. Okay, here we can represent it easily with the help of this. Okay, in this way. So Sunday the temperature was 25. The temperature on Sunday was 25. So just make a dot here. Sunday 25. Make a dot here and make a circle. Okay, fine. What was the temperature on Monday? It was 28. So 28 is between 25 and 30 here. So there are small divisions also on the graph paper. So between 25 and 30, there are various small divisions. Do you know where to find 28? How will you find 28? This is,
Sir, by the small divisions.
yes, using the small divisions. Which line in the small divisions?
Sir, by the help of the by the help of the horizontal line.
Horizontal lines. And there are 10 horizontal lines, 10 small divisions between two big divisions. There are 10 small divisions. So on the sixth line above 25, sixth line above 25, that will be 28. Okay, two lines for 1 degree, two small divisions for 1 degree. Okay, because there are 10 divisions, total 10 divisions are there. Each big division is 5 degrees, and that means 10 small divisions are equal to 5 degrees. So 1 degree is equal to 2 small divisions. So that means if you go above 25, you will find the sixth line, and that will be your 28 degrees. Okay, similarly 26. So very small difference between 28 and 26, just below, little below 28. This will be 26. 26 will be 4 lines above 25. Okay, I hope you all are getting it. Then for Wednesday, it is 32, just above 30. First line above 30, that will be 32, very first line. No, sorry, not first, 32. It is 32, so 1, 2, 3, 4 lines above 30. Okay, 4 small divisions above 30. So this one. And for on Thursday, the temperature was 29. So 29 will be just below 30, 2 lines below 30. Then there is, on Friday, the temperature was 34. So just below 35. And then Saturday, the temperature was 31 degrees. So this is just above 30 here. So this is your, these are the points that you have marked. Now you can make a line graph. What is a line graph now? Just join these points with the help of a scale. Use a scale to join these points. Okay. Fine, all of you. So it is representing the maximum temperatures on the various days of a week. Okay. Fine, all of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to make it more a little bigger, if you want to make it, the points are coming very near, you can take one block equals to 2 degrees also, but for that you will have to start your bar graph right from the bottom. Okay, बिल्कुल एकदम नीचे से start करना पड़ेगा, right from the bottom, and then it will almost take the whole page. You can do like that also. Got it, all of you? Very easy, simple thing. Start drawing this in your graph papers, in the graph papers that you have. Are you all having a graph paper?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I'm not having.
Oh, beta, please arrange a graph paper from somewhere. It may be there in some of your practical copies, which are suppose science copies or computer copies. No graph paper is required in your science practical copies or computer practical copies. So for today, you can take the graph paper from there and then later on arrange a graph book. You don't need a graph paper in your science graph practical copies or computer practical copies. Beta, once you have completed, please post it in the group. And after this one, you will start doing the third question. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, posted.
Very good. Taking it. $25. First one was 25, correct? Then second one was 28. The Pranjali, this 28, it will come just above the middle line, 28. Below 30, but
Okay,
just
sir.
above the line which is exactly between 25 and 30. उसके ऊपर आएगा ये. On the sixth division from 25. 25 के ऊपर जब आप 6th डिवीजन पे जाएंगे, छोटे छोटे डिवीजन हैं, so there will be 28. Okay, 26 is correct. Then 32 will be just below the middle line. 30 and 35 के बीच में जो मिडिल लाइन है उसके जस्ट पीछे, 4th डिवीजन. ओके, 29 is correct. 34 is also correct. 31 is correct. Okay, so 2 dots you have to correct, which was on Monday and on Wednesday. Correct these two. Start doing the third one. Are you all doing the
Yes, sir.
third one? Yes, if you have done the third one, please post it, all of you. All of you done or not?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, who is this Virat Yadav? Because in our class there is no Virat
He is
Yadav.
a student of class 5. I don't know why he's joining. I have removed him.
Okay, sir. Sir, done.
Post it in the group, beta.
Sir, posted the third one.
Okay, checking it. So this is, the values are in decimal here. So you could have taken one block equal to 1. Chalo, it's okay if you're taking a gap of 2 also. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17 years, and then gross profit in lakhs. So 17, 15.5. Okay, correct. 11.4. Okay. 12.1. 12.1 beta, it will be just above 12. Your 12.1 is coming on 12 only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
14.9 will be in the almost in the middle. Okay. Between 14 and 16, उससे जरा सा एक point पीछे. Okay. Correct it. And start doing the sixth one. Okay. In the sixth one, you can start from 70. From 70 to 100 you can make. Okay. Because the values are very big in this. So in the sixth question, start from 70 and then take a gap of 2% each. 2% gap. Okay.
Sir, we have to draw both in one graph.
Sorry.
Sir, we have to draw both in one graph.
Yes. In question 6, you have to draw for boys and girls both in one graph only. There will be 2 different line graphs.
Okay, sir.
You can use different colors for both. Suppose you are making for boys, you can make it with red pencil color, and for girls you can make it with some other pencil color. Okay. Or you can do different type of shading. For boys, you can make it just with this pencil straight lines with the use of a pencil, and continuous line, that means. And for girls, you can make a dotted line. Okay. This continuous line. So that in that way also you can do.